I'm on behalf of the city of Harare. I would want to first recognize the duty of the founder of the International Youth Fellowship for having sent volunteers to Zimbabwe from different walks of life to come and share with us their experiences in life, their experiences in spiritual life, which in my view has gone a long way in changing the lives locally and abroad. And now I would want to congratulate those that have finished their course or their mission, and they were here on a tour of duty which has come to an end, but we still feel their presence, and we would want to urge them to continue with the good work wherever they are, even though they are back in their country. Back to the founder and those that are in Korea, we want to wish you well and continue supporting our guys who are here. We had a very good experience and we are very richly blessed here. So please continue sending us more guys to come and help us and achieve the humanity that we would want to see under the universe. The change of lives, the behavioral changes, and also to make sure that people can learn how to do self-help projects, which is a good and a positive initiation, which is coming with our young people. The Youth Fellowship is actually a way to go and a process that we think as two countries. And I know you are involved in more than 90 countries, which I think it is a very big footprint in the mission for our Lord to know and be known in all the nations. Thank you.